How we doing, YouTube? This is coming just a small little video. I have a new build out. If y'all aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I have a teardown of the brand new APNX case that I did a teardown of the V1 series. I also did a teardown of the new MSI Z890 motherboard, the Edge TI. Uh, I'm gonna be doing a build with the 265K. I wanted a new distro plate, and of course, since all the crud with EK that's been going on, I've actually really like Alphacool. I started going to some Alphacool actually because they were a lot cheaper than EK for like the 4090 water block. So I do like the Alphacool on that. So I went with like an Alphacool CPU block, and now I want to get rid of just the regular EK water pump and go with a distro. And I did like EK's G1 distro. So, but this is similar to like the G1. It feels a lot heavier, a lot thicker at this point in time. They do have a few of them. They have a 120, they have a 240, and then they have a 360, which that's what I have here is the 360. So this is just a little manual in here, how to do certain things. So again, how to install it, all the good old jazz right here of what to do. So we're just going to get it open and see what kind of quality there is and what all you get with it. So this should be all the mounting hardware right here. So again, all the mounting hardware, that way you can put it on. You also got your RGB extension, which is really nice about me going with all Alphacool now is they do have extensions off the video card and the CPU. So I can just daisy chain them all together and run just the water blocks, everything, all the water cooling stuff, all off of one splitter, and change those colors compared to anything else if you're into your RGB. So yes, it is beefy. It is thicker than the G1. I can tell you that right now. I did opt in for the one without a pump. It is a D5 pump. It does say I think VRR or VSS slash D5 pump. I don't know if you can what the other one is. I only know about the DDCs and the D5 pumps. Very nice acrylic. I don't know if y'all can see in there. I don't know if that's gonna bother me or not, but there's let's see if I can get it in there. Just pulling it out. I see little bitty machine marks in inside the acrylic here. I don't know if I really like that. We'll see what happens. I might go around and double check, make sure they're tight, grab my Newton meter wrench, and make sure everything's tight on here. But yeah, this thing is a pretty nice little chunk here. It is without the okay, well, hold on. I was gonna say I thought these threads were out. No, I like these threads. Unlike like EK, they just have it threaded into the acrylic on most of theirs. This is actually looks like some stainless steel or nickel threads that go straight into it. So the thickness of this is what, a little over 1.5, and then the length of it is a little almost 14 and a quarter is the length of it. So should fit most cases. You can mount this way as well. So if you want a bottom style like this right here in your case, you can actually mount it just like this and then run yours up. So the D5 pump will go here. I will be using the EK for right now until I either get a hold of Alphacool or I'm able to get an Alphacool D5 pump. Um, I have a couple of the EK pumps, so. But yeah, all in all, man, that's a pretty distro plate. One thing that I'm gonna wind up doing is all these right here. I will grab white ones because I do have an all white build. If y'all seen my teardown video at all, so I seen one review. A guy said that the way the air and everything is right in here. He had to he opened his up and he made a little gully right here. I don't understand why he had to make a gully right there. So one of these you can use for your return, and then one of these for your fill. You know, so if you use a fill port here, then all you gotta do is open this up and drop some more fluid in here for it to come all the way up. He was talking about the pressurized in here with different levels of the fluid. I think if he purged his system correctly, that he would have been able to come up. You don't need to take it, all apart. One thing I would have liked to see from Alphacool is their little label right here. I would like to see that white, or be able to get different colors for this. I have some carbon fiber sticker I might put across there, and then take out uh, the little Alpha Cool, the AC right here. What else is there? I know there was something else I wanted to say, but yeah, no, all in all, I mean, it's really, really. I mean, to me, it's a very nice, well built. I mean, as of right now, very well built distro plate. Again, there you go. You can see some of them machine marks in there. Like I said, those are machine marks that are in there. That's the only thing I'm not liking so far. See if I can get any other ones popping up. Let's see if I can put uh, this right here will allow me to show, because there is some more right here. Let me see if this black will allow. There we go. That might be able to let it shine through. So you see these right here. Those are actually in between. In between this is where that is. But yeah, it's very, very thick. Very thick, very nice. Again, I'm hoping that after it heats up, that some of these will go away. Um, I like that clean look, so I'm actually ready to get in here and get built. Another thing with these right here, you can buy them with the pump. They're about another $50, $60, depending on where you go. If you go to Titan Rig, or Mods or Newegg or whatever. But also, what we have here is I have the left side ports. They also have a right-sided port. So if you want all these ports being here, you can have them here. Me personally, I would have liked to possibly see that it was multiple ports, or a little bit bigger of a reservoir. Um, and then move ports different directions on here. But at the same time, a lot of people like this to see all their water on one side, and then have their pipes on one side. So depending on your case scenario, I just know in all my cases, I'm always building off the left side of my pump. Or my G1, when I used to use my G1, because the G1 was for the O11 dynamic, but you could use it for multiple cases. But no, that's just a quick review of the Alphacool Core distro plate. I think it's very well built. Again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because I'll be doing my PC build here in a couple of days, and I'll be probably doing a time lapse build of my PC build. Here again, this is what I was talking about the plug. This right here is going to plug into the one that was in the box, and then here's a daisy chain right here, which is an Alphacool plug. So only the Alphacool stuff will go here. So you can continue on your daisy chain, which makes it really nice. That way, everything can be daisy chains, and then you can zip tie them up behind the case. Again, other than that, I mean, it's really clean. I'm ready to get it all built in. Once again, like and subscribe. I'm Thomas with Tomology. I'll catch y'all on the next one.